Namaste, Sat Sri Akal to all the creators over the world. My name is Shokar and welcome back to another video of collecting with you. And guys, everyone loves Ferrari so much. From a long time, you guys are requesting me to buy a Ferrari SF90. So in today's video, guys, we are gonna unbox the SF90. We're gonna review it. But before that, if you missed this cutie Porsche video, what are you doing, guys? Just go to my channel and watch the full video, or just click on the I button and watch it after you watch this video. Today we are gonna unbox this SF90. We have got this from Amazon and this box is from Plus Point Toy Store. Just look at it. We have got this car for 750 rupees from Amazon. So let's unbox it and let's see. But before that, let's roll the intro.
Warning: this channel is too addictive for every diecast car lover.
So finally guys, we have got this Ferrari SF90. As usual, we don't get any box or anything. And guys, next week I'm gonna buy something crazy stuff for myself. Finally next week I'm getting my hands on my favorite diecast car. So if you want to know which car it is, just subscribe the channel. Also comment down what you guys think I'm gonna buy. We have got a plastic packing over here. We have got the car in this plastic packing. The car is looking amazing, guys. Just look at it. So this is the Ferrari SF90 over here, guys, and just look at this beast. This car is looking amazing. And if we talk about the front section, we have got the front vents over here. We have got the Ferrari logo over here. We have got the iconic lights over here. The car is on a lighter side, guys. This is not too heavy like this one. This is really heavy. And if I talk about the left section, guys, just look at it. Well built, I have to say. We have got a logo over here. We have got a sleek design over here. Just look at it, guys. Also, we have got some designs and vents over here and here. Talking about the top section, guys, we have got a red color combination with the black roof. I think it is not openable, but let's see. No, it's not openable, guys. It's a fixed model. We have got rubber tires with silver alloy and yellow brake over here, just like the iconic real SF90. A classy and a premium color is used over here. And just look at the back section, guys. We have got the exhaust system over here. We have got this over here. We have got carbon fiber finishing over here and here. Also, we have got a guard over here, guys. We also got carbon fiber finishing over here, guys. Just look at it. Let's open the car. Okay. This is the engine right over here, guys. Just look at this beast. Now let me show you the doors. Just look at the doors over here, guys. We have got a black interior used over here. Let me show you the front side. It's totally vacant over here. Spaces over here. And thank you guys for recommending me this car. You can also recommend me many cars in the comment section. Just go down and comment your favorite car. We shall bring your favorite car next week. Who knows? And these two bad boys over here, guys. That is looking amazing or what? Three, two, one. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Peace out.